कृपा बलो Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare. Jai Rama Govinda Rama Govinda Rama Hare.
சரி நான் பேங்க் ஒர்க் பண்ண போகிறேன்.
Elgato. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. ए माउस है क्या चूहा? ए चूहा किधर गया? चूहा भी आप अंदर छुपा के रखते हो। हाँ। Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Alligator कनेक्शन नहीं है अभी। जय राधा माधोवा कुंज विहारी प्ले।
कुंज विहारी
गोपी जनवल्लभा गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रजजनरंजना यशोदानंदन ब्रजजनरंजना यमुनातीरा वनचारी जयो राधा माधोवा कुंज विहारी जयो राधा माधोवा कुंज विहारी। Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Driver आगे लगा। Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। Eight. सातं पुंसवनं राज्ञी प्राशवै प्रत्युआददे गर्भं काल उपावृते कुमारं सुषुवे अप्रजा। सातत्पुंसवनं राज्ञी प्रश्यवै प्रत्युआददे गर्भं काल उपावृते कुमारं सुषुवे अप्रजा। सातत्पुंसवनं राज्ञी प्राशवै प्रत्युआददे गर्भं काल उपावृते कुमारं सुषुवे अप्रजा। सा शी तात that food, Pumsavanam, which produces a male child, Ragni, the queen, Prasha, eating. Why? Indeed, Pratyuho, from the husband, Adade, conceived, Garbham, pregnancy, Kale, when the due time, Upavrite, appear, Umaram, a son, Sushuve, gave birth to, Apraja, having no son. Although the queen had no son, after eating that food which had power to produce a male child, she became pregnant by her husband, and in due course of time she gave birth to a son. Although the queen had no son, after eating that food which had the power to produce a male child, she became pregnant by her husband, and in due course of time she gave birth to a son. Among the 10 kinds of purificatory process, one is Pumsavanam, in which the wife is offered some prasada or remnant of food offered to the Lord Vishnu, so that after sexual intercourse with her husband she may conceive a child. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. It's okay, everybody can see. That boy was born partially in the dynasty of the irreligion. His grandfather was death personified, and the boy grew up with his follower. As his follower, he became greatly irreligious person. Yes, Supriti Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. The child's mother, Sunita, was the daughter of death personified. Generally, the daughter receives the qualifications of her father and the son acquires those of the mother. So, according to the axiomatic truth that things equal to the same thing or equal to one another, the child born of a king Anga became the follower of his maternal grandfather. According to Smriti Shastra, a child generally follows the principles of his maternal uncle's house. Narana Matula Karma means that a child generally follows the qualities of his maternal family. If the maternal family is very corrupt or sinful, the child, even though born of a good father, becomes a victim of the maternal family. According to Vedic civilization, therefore, before the marriage takes place, an account is taken of both the boys' and girls' families. If, according to astrological calculation, the combination is perfect, then marriage takes place. Sometimes, however, there is a mistake and family life becomes frustrating. It appears that King Anga did not get a very good wife in Sunita because she was the daughter of death personified. Sometimes the Lord arranges an unfortunate wife for his devotee so that gradually, due to family circumstances, the devotee becomes detached from his wife and home and makes progress in devotional life. It appears that by the arrangement of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, King Anga, although a pious devotee, got an unfortunate wife like Sunita and later on a bad child like Vena. But the result was that he got complete freedom from the entanglement of family life and left home to go back to Godhead. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Pashat Deshatarine. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So here is a reason, everything has a reason. Because it's a surprising fact that son of a great personality, Anga, is a demon. So the reason given is yes, immediate reason is what? Because his wife or the daughter of the death personified, so the child has carried the quality of the boy, carried the quality of the mother, mother carried the quality of the father, so the maternal grandfather is carrying the qualities. This is what is discussed, and that's why the child is horrible. But the deeper reason is something else. These are all action, reaction of the world. Everything is controlled by the Lord. That Krishna wants him to develop detachment. So that's the game of the Lord. So many things happen in life. Finally, Krishna's plan is through the pains, reactions, we develop little detachment. But it is not easy to see through these activities of the Lord. As we've been discussing, it is very difficult to see the plan of the Lord. When Bhishma saw the Pandavas after the battle was over, and that's what Bhishma says. He said, I cannot understand what is happening here. I can just show you that portion. Bhishma says, actually it is very difficult for me to understand the situation. It's a one side I have the great personalities here in front of me. I have SB 1.1.7. Not getting the chapter, okay. So the Bhishma says, how is it possible that this, my Pandavas, my grandchildren suffered so much? One side I have Arjuna, who is such a great devotee. We have Yudhishthira, he is Dharma personified. With Draupadi, incarnation of Lakshmi, partial incarnation. I have all these people with me. Or so, and Bhima, who is incarnation of Vayu. So I have this amazing personalities in front of me. And they're so godly, so divine. But the point is that they suffered so much. Correct? What did they do? They suffered so much. How is it possible? He said, how is it possible? And then he said, nobody can understand actually the plan of the Lord. Nobody can understand the plan of the Lord. He concludes. So similarly, we should not start making analysis of the small situations. Krishna has a deeper plan. We have our plan, Krishna has another plan. Our plan is sometimes generally materialistic, to be comfortable in this world, to enjoy our senses, live a healthy life, happy life. And Krishna's plan is to take us back to the spiritual world. And therefore, we cannot understand Krishna's plan. We discussed this. Parikshit Maharaj suddenly, he sees death is coming in 7 days. He accepts it. He does not fight against the plan of the Lord. He wants to participate in the plan of the Lord. As I told you, intelligent person, just like you have a college, you have an exam, better participate in the plan of the college. That is for your good. So in the life also, different things when they unfold, we try in our own way, things in one way, but that's not the word. Word is not in our control. Something else comes in front of us, which is not planned by us. Something unfavorable unfolds in front of us. At that time, we should be peaceful and understand that as the plan of the Lord, okay? And it can help us to get a spirit of detachment. So where we can get a spirit of detachment? Is there any example? Something unfavorable happened and it gives a sense of detachment from this world. We see Srila Prabhupada's example. Something unfavorable happened. He lost his business, he lost everything, and that gave him a sense of detachment from the world. In fact, COVID also brought so much, dynamics, and that helped because a lot of people, because of COVID, developed sense of detachment. Otherwise, people make plans for their enjoyment and things are happening, then things are happening. Everybody's plans failed and developed a sense of detachment from this world. We have Vritasura also. Suddenly he sees death in front of him. He starts offering prayers, my Lord, I want to come back to your lotus feet. We have that example of a king which came to know within what is the name of the king? He came to know within a short time he's going to face his death. Khatvanga Maharaj. And immediately he is detached from this world and offered himself to the Lord. Ante Narayana Smritihi. So somehow the Lord wants to bring us to Narayana Smritihi, and we should accept it. Let him play the dynamics he wants to play. And if Krishna sees that we are attached to something unnecessarily, he'll take away that thing so that we have just Krishna's lotus feet remaining. So can you think of some situations where somebody got a sense of detachment, or you in your life got a sense of detachment because of some reverse in life? Yes, anybody? Or from the Shastra, an example, person developed sense of detachment because of seeing some reverse in life.
Dhruva Maharaj, Prabhuji.
Tell me, explain to me.
Dhruva Maharaj, after getting the darshan of the Lord, he felt like he is seeking something which is more important than what Lord is, and he developed a sense of detachment. He said he.
मुझे नहीं खाना मैं इसको दे रही
Just, yeah, continue, Mataji. Unmute yourself and continue. Yeah.
Hare Krishna. Prabhuji, when Dhruva Maharaj got the darshan of Supreme Personality of Godhead, he realized that he was seeking something like stone, which is worth of stone or something, when we have a diamond in front of him. And he also said like he doesn't want to go back in this material life. And upon Supreme Personality of Godhead telling like this is all necessary, he has to go back, but he'll be a devotee further. So in that way, he's developed a sense of detachment.
Okay, great. Great.
Prabhuji, may I suggest say something?
Yes, Dr. Manushi.
Prabhuji, I had a brother who at the age of 18 lost his father, and sister fell a victim to polio, and he was extremely detached. He did all his duties all his life long to his family, but was so attached to the Lord. He did 6 hours of asanas every day, Prabhuji. He followed another way, another group, but he was completely detached from his son, what his son became, and his son was not satisfactory, but he didn't get involved. He said, everyone has to do their own duty. I have done what I could for him. Now I withdraw. and I lead my own life to go back to the Lord. And for the last 10 years or so of his life, Prabhuji was completely withdrawn and he lived separately alone, and he did his yoga asanas and he did his prayers and his study of the Gita. So that is one example that I know from my own life, Prabhuji, that I can say.
Very good, very
Hare
good.
Krishna, Prabhuji.
So anybody has an example, see what happens, all of us, we are pushed by the family, by the responsibilities, by the landmarks made by society. We just keep moving under that. We don't think left, right, whether it is right or it is wrong, just keep moving as society set the landmark. But when some frustration, and we keep anticipating happiness at the end, yes, then I will be very happy, this will make me very successful. But then, when a disaster comes, we become very reflective. And then we start thinking. In fact, Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, 4 kind of people come to me. And what are the 4 kind of people? Artho arthas jigyasu jnani cha bharatashapai. Does it say or not? Anna? Artho arthas jigyasu jnani cha bharatashapai. Chaturveda bhajante ma. 4 kind of people come to me. Artho was in great pain. Artharthi, who wants some money. Jnani, who want knowledge. So, the 2 people who are generally, who comes is Artho and Artharthi, who are in some pain. Artho, Lord, please help me. So sometimes Krishna may plan or design a difficulty so anybody has an example in his personal life that it was because of some difficulty that he started taking to spiritual life. Yes. Or all of you came. Which category, okay, let us say, which category we are in? Artho, Artharthi, Jigyasu, Jnani. Yes, anybody?
Prabhuji, Jigyasi.
You were Jigyasu? Yes, okay.
So, Artho Prabhuji, basically, we all are. Now, we
We are
seek
all
for
4
something,
Prabhuji.
na?
What Artho? What are the difficulty? Yeah. No, that's okay, Draupadi. But anybody has an example personally? Mohanji, what is your example? Pujya Vrinda Mataji, what are you? Artho, Artharthi, Jigyasu, Jnani.
I like to be.
Prabhuji,
I
we
mean,
wanted
from the
something.
beginning.
Huh?
From the beginning, I like to be a jnani, to know about the scriptures and other things, because I've been brought up in a very conservative way, where I used to follow all the Madhva, this thing. But later on, I felt so much restrictions they have in that community. But after coming to ISKCON, I felt so much of freeness and so much of liberalization. So I feel I'm a jnani only.
See, actually, we should, getting the point of it, and then अभी एक point बता रहे हैं कि we are actually more attracted to following the current Acharya. Srila Prabhupada is the Jagat Guru at this moment. He is the current Acharya. His teachings are what people can follow. Principles are not changed. Principles are same. We are servant of God. God is great. Actually, all this, not only the Madhva Sampradaya, all the Sampradayas are hesitating. They should actually recognize Prabhupada as the current Acharya of the world. And he has proved it. He could make Russians, Americans into devotees. Anybody can become devotee, correct? He has shown the power of the process that he has given. Even a raw man he made into a sannyasi. So he has shown the power. He is the current Acharya of the world. But people are not following, are not submitting themselves, are not taking the benefit. Yes, Mataji. So you understood the Prabhupada teachings are actually the current Acharya. Is immediately connecting to the way we are in Kali Yuga. Yes, anybody else has any things to put? How did you come to, there is something like collection. How did I come to Krishna consciousness? In brief, just in 1 minute. Can anybody say? And reflect on Artho, Artharthi, Jigyasu, Jnani. Which was the one which brought you in? Yes, 1 minute, not more than 1 minute.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhuji, I was wandering, searching for gods from childhood, worshipping many deities like
Oh,
the
you are
demigods.
Jigyasu? You are Jigyasu?
Yes, Prabhuji. So I went from north, I went to south, I went to Satya Sai Baba, Shivaji, then all the goddesses and all, and eventually I came to Krishna, Prabhuji, and that's how I came.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Anybody else? Yes. Which category you are in? Just think about how I came to Krishna conscious, which category I belong. Artho, Arthas, Jigyasu or Jnani.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. I am in Jigyasu category, Prabhuji.
You are also Jigyasu category.
Yes,
Nobody
Prabhuji.
will admit, no, they were all Artho, Artharthi. I had one question, and then he answered the question at back. I became a devotee. Hai na?
Prabhuji, we were Arto also because very unfortunate things happened in life, and that is when we got more
Yeah,
attracted to the Lord, Prabhuji.
mostly our Jigyasa starts after Artho. Hai na?
Yes, Prabhuji,
What is life?
absolutely. Where
Till
to
the
go,
time,
where to go.
yeah, till the time things are going great, we don't care. Hai na?
Yes, Prabhu. We care, Prabhuji. We have the love of the Lord in our hearts, but the acuteness of the situation and the difficulty we are in, and we cannot solve anything by ourselves. And over the years, I've seen how the Lord has stepped in and helped me every time because I had left everything to Him, Prabhuji. Everything. And I've never had that surrender before. I was very egotistical, Prabhuji. So the change has come because of distress.
Chalo, great, great. Anybody else likes to add how he came to Krishna conscious, some interesting way you came? And then please tell me which it belongs to. Artho, Mulledhar ji, Bhatia, Hare Krishna, which one is it? Artho, Artharthi, Jigyasu, Jnani, which one?
Start with Jigyasu, Prabhuji.
Yes.
Hare Krishna. So when I was in a job in Nagpur, the Sri Ravi Shankar had arranged a meeting for all executives. So there one point he said was that once in your lifetime, at least once you should read Gita, Bhagavad Gita, and distributed the Gita. So from that day, I started reading, understanding Gita. But after retirement only, I could go, and the Krishna consciousness increased only due to the online classes, which after hearing it, it becomes simplified to understand.
Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Neeta Markan, you wanted to say something?
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Heartiest congratulations to you for having this beautiful temple. And Prabhuji, the fear of COVID connected me to ISKCON. All of a sudden, I could see many discourses on YouTube, and eventually I joined the ISKCON.
Okay, fantastic. Yes. We have today the contest of the children's before the Janmashtami, so mind is absorbed in something you can find out. But still didn't want to miss meeting all of you. Yes, Ratnangadi, Hari Prada, Devidasi, yes, Hare Krishna. Which is Jigyasu, Artho, Artharthi or Jnani? Which one?
Prabhuji, it was Artho Artharthi definitely in the beginning of the younger age of my life, but loss in business took me to the spiritual life, but it took 21 years to come to Krishna consciousness during COVID with the 18 days class, and that's the time Shloka 15.13 and 15.14. Till then it was Apna Hat Jagannath, and then I realized that whole ahankar came down. What you eat is the soma juice which the Lord is giving, and what you are digesting is from the Krishna's benefit. So then I understood that nothing is in your hands. So what ahankar you are having, and that's totally changed the life, Prabhuji.
ठीक है, चलो जाए. ठीक है, nice to meet all of you. You can understand I'm a little preoccupied because just like Janmashtami tomorrow, today we have a big contest for small children starting at 9. So take leave, Take good darshan of Shri Radha Govinda. Shri Radha Govinda ki. Shri Gaur Nitai ki. Prabhupada ki. Okay, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Kamla,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
मेरा कमरा जरा कर दो.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.